Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I do my lazy day makeup routine. Please excuse my homeless drug addict look while I start off with applying 5 to 6 drops of tea tree oil all over my face except my eyes. Then I apply my moisturizer and using my trusty jade roller, I massage my face to depuff from all the crying that I do from adulting daily. Anyways, then I apply sunscreen. The one I'm using today is the Aveeno Protect and Hydrate with SPF 30 because we gotta protect our skin from the sun and continue looking young forever. I then go in with a little bit of my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. It's not enough to conceal my sins, but it's just enough to conceal the designer bags under my eyes. So it gives an illusion that I've had 8 hours of sleep when in fact I barely slept because I'm addicted to the Tiki-Talkie app. I then fill in my brows with the color of my soul, aka black eyeshadow. Then bronze and highlight my cheeks, forehead and nose, because again, you gotta give the illusion that you're not eating your way through this quarantine and your face still has some definition left in it. Can't forget to give my lips some love by applying lip balm. The one I'm using today is the Burt's Bee one with vitamin E and peppermint because I love the tingly feeling it gives on my lips. And lastly, apply some lip crayon to your lips and cheeks to have some color, even if your soul doesn't, or in this case, my soul. And that's it. Get into some comfy PJs and you're ready to Netflix and chill with the handsome devil Lucifer and ignore all your life problems like an adult. Or if you're one of those responsible adults, then go run some errands. I'm not wearing any mascara for this look because even though the only drama I enjoy in my life is in my lashes, today's drama will be provided by Netflix. Alright, so that's it for today. If you like this video or got a laugh out of it, please smash the like button, subscribe to my channel for more health and beauty related videos, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload my next video. Till then, bye bye.